In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a website invitation and RSVP form to collect the details of your guests, and also for the registry of the gifts, Google Map location. Just one link, and you can share with your guests, and they can be invited to your wedding. It is very simple. First, I will show you on the screen. This is the design which I am going to explain you. So for first of all, we want to edit the name, which is your name. Like, you can edit here your name. Just click on this, and you can say that if you want here, just change the name, John and Sarah. That's it. It is very simple. All the things on this website, editable website, these are editable. You have to just change them. Then you can change here the date. It is very easy. Just all the stuff is editable. If you want to change this image, but this image is beautiful. If you think you want to change this image in the elements, you can type any image, like for example flowers. Like if you want to change new flowers on the background, here you type it, and you have the different options. Click on the photos, and you have the different, like you want to add these flowers on the background. Just drag and drop. You can see these are changed. And if you want to change this background, but I think this background is already beautiful, so no need for the changes. One other thing is that RSVP form, which is very important to collect the details in your Excel sheet. On the RSVP, just click on this form. It will make the duplicate copy in your mail. Like, you can click make a copy, and it will make a copy of this Google form. It is already designed for you. Just click on the RSVP form. It will be make a copy in your mail. So you have to change the detail. Like, you want to change the name here, just simply here you want to change the picture. You can click here. I can show you how you can change the picture in the set. For example, here I show you 1 minute. Here it gives the options to change the theme. Keyboard, yes. Here you can see the preview. Here you can see the customized theme. Customized theme, here the upload image. Like, if you want to change this image, you can upload an image from your laptop, and you can add here the image. So it is very simple to edit the Google form. Here you will honor with you fill the details. Like, all the details are ready. I have added in this template. You just click and add some other detail which you want to add in the section. This image is very easy. Just click on this image, and you can replace it with another image. You just delete it and add another image. This form is very simply. Then I show you, once you have this form, you want to edit any section, you can. Then you can publish it. Anyone with the link, responder, here you have to give the permission. Just these people can, anyone with the link, respond. Just respond. So you click on the respond and publish. This form is now ready. You can copy this link and go to this and edit this already added form. You have to, because this is editable form, so you have to change it. Click on this link and add here the new form simply. So now your RSVP form is added, which you have prepared here. After this, I show you the next step. Here is the image. You want to change the image here, like bride image. You have any image, you can upload in this section. In the upload, if you click on the upload, just here, you have any image in your laptop which you want to add here. You just click on the upload and upload that image. I show you how we can do it. Here you have any images like which you want to add here. For example, I don't have the specific images, and I take one example image just to show how you will add it. Here the image is uploaded. In the upload, you have any image, you can upload. Just pick this image and go to this. It will be automatically added. Just a minute. Basically it is a cartoon, so I give you example how you can. In the elements, we get some images. So this is the image, you like it and you want to add it. Image is on the background added, but 1 minute. Here the different elements, like one is the flower. You can go pick it up, and here we add the image now. This is simply image is added, and now you can drag the star again on this image, so it looks beautiful. The countdown, this is very important, like you want to add the countdown, how much time is remaining in the ceremony, wedding ceremony. Just click on the tick counter to add the timing. So it is already the tick counter. New countdown, simply just click on the new countdown. So here you make the countdown, like anything which you want to edit. Here you can see the time, make a countdown. Here the days, time, everything. So like if you want to change it, you change the date, click on it, the timer will be changed. You can change the colors here, background is transparent, anything. So countdown, for example, it is ready. Here you can change any time according to the time count, and style of the text, everything will be adjustable. You can just click on countdown and it will give you embed the code, and it is share link. So we, for example, we click on the share link, copy this link, and how you will add it I will show you. So one thing is that when you are adding image, always try to check this. If it is premium, it will be not added. So you have to use just the free images, like this one. These images are free. If you use any premium stuff, they ask you to pay. So keep in mind, we will use just the free images. Okay. Just reverse, like we have to remove all the stuff, all the changes we have made. Okay, now like we have prepared a new countdown, and we have its link. Like you click on the new countdown, and you can ready here your countdown, make a countdown, and after it shows the two links. One is this link and one is this. So you can copy this link, and I show you how you will add it. Just click on the edit, just click on the edit and remove it with the other link, just, and then done. It will be changed, it will show here. So it is shows here, like you can click here and you can make it fit on the screen. Okay, so simple is that. You can just copy the link and edit the link of the countdown. Then you can add here our story. It is all the editable content. If you want to change here the image, it is a frame. You just pick the image which you want to add and drag in the frame. Yes. Okay, see that the image is added. Next, the all these dates and content is editable. Next is the wedding day, and so you definitely have the different wedding ceremonies, times, date. Like you have to change wedding ceremony, all the content is editable. Just change the time and the style according to your venue. Next is the venue. So here you can add the location name, here content. This image is also editable. You can just drag your image and you can fit here. Okay, you can see that the image is editable. Next is the Google Map. Google Map, this link is editable. The location where you target, you have the location link. You can just edit and add here the new location link, and done. Simply location will be added. Next is the accommodation details. Like if you are stay Restwood Stable, California, you can edit here the details all according to your wedding details. Next, if you want to change the images, as I say that all these images, everything is editable. You just pick and drop here the images. Like I can pick this image and I want to add this one. Okay, that's it, image is added. Okay, next is the detail, like the dress code. All these color are changeable. You just click on the color, and from this color you can change that color. Like you want to make this color, like dress code, you ask the people to this one. So simply change the color. Transportation, the transportation which you are providing, shuttles will be available to transport. Any transportation mode you want to add, you can add here. Accommodation is also, and for the accommodation, like you have any booking, or you have any connection with the hotels which you want to provide your guests, just add the links of the hotels here, book here, book here. You click on the link and edit this link. Next is the wedding registry. So here already we added one link to like Amazon gifts. So you can add the link to the store, the gift which you want to get from your clients. You can just add the registry. Okay. Next again is the RSVP form. The form which you already prepared, like when you click on this form, it will automatically show you make the copy of this form, like this one copy. So because I make it editable copy for everyone, so someone click on RSVP on my given template, he will automatically make the copy of this form, publish it, and here the link. And one other thing is that how you will check it, like when you have a forum, you can track all the progress of this forum. I show you how you will do it. Unpublished, here when you see help me to create a response, so anyone submit the response, you can see here, like here the links to the sheet. You automatically have the sheet in which you can record all the responses of the peoples. You can see timestamp, well honor, all the details in the forum is automatically will be in your sheet. So you just click on the RSVP form, make a copy and publish it and send to the people. It will be automatically connected you to your mail, and this Google Sheet will be installed. You will start getting here the responses. This is very simple. If you need any changes, in the YouTube description I have added my contact details. You can get in touch, so I can help you to design, customize it as per your requirements. I can add your images. It is very easy. This is also editable, all the content is editable. Once this is ready, like we think that this website is now ready, you added your details form, just simply click on the publish website. When you are going to publish, this Canva is free, you can sign in and you can use it. There is no cost for it, just you have the template to edit it for your marriage ceremony. I now I will show you how you publish it. Just here you will the link site URL, and you send it to your all the friends, relatives to fill this form, everything. Sometime like he is saying that you are using one premium, so I will edit it and remove it, like so you have nothing to pay here. For example, it is asking you are using one ring which is the which like it is the Canva premium tools product, so we just remove it and add here the some other thing, like I show you how we'll do it. How we do it, just we remove it. Okay, that's it. Okay, now this site is ready to publish. Like it will ask you use a custom domain, like no need to buy the custom domain. Just here it is asking for your name, like you said that John and Sarah wedding. You just do it. This you can just like URL is not available. For example, this URL is not available. So it is now ready. You just publish it. Happy to fill it. Okay, I show you. It is now. So here is your website. Website is live now. It is ready. You can send to anyone who can click on the, it is just taking time to load. You can see it is also perfect for the mobile, perfect for the laptop, anywhere you can. like the template, editable template, and some other details, guide, everything is given in the description. You can buy this template from the Etsy. I have given the link of this product and also given the link of my store in the YouTube video description. You can just click it and buy it and edit it. You need any help, I am always available for anyone who buy this template. I am showing that it is just taking time to load. You can see this is the beautiful template is ready for your marriage ceremony. Countdown is running here. Google map link you can add here, and other details here. Our images are loading. You can see that's nice, beautiful.